Our university system is a 12th century French creation, and little has changed since its invention. The first universities had tuition, scholarships, tenure, majors, lectures, tests, and grades. Some schools still used the same robes and had the same diplomas printed in Latin. And yet somehow the university has survived without material change throughout the following: the Black Death, World Wars, the Renaissance, the Inquisition, Frederick the Great, Napoleon, 2 world wars, Nazism, communism, disaster after disaster, economic calamity, purges and scourges, and yet somehow the university system glided right through it all. The resiliency of this system speaks of a deep need it must fill, for institutions don't survive through all of that unchanged unless they are important. So I'm not one who's bearish on the university system. It should be noted that universities are not trade schools. Somebody leaving with a liberal arts degree isn't trained for any job in particular. The conventional wisdom is that they're trained to think for themselves and to learn new things. And if this is true, those are skills you will still need in the coming decades. If you're interested in artificial intelligence, visit gigaom.com or check out my new book, The Fourth Age: Smart Robots, Conscious Computers, and the Future of Humanity.